In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the issue of eBay not sending a verification code. This guide will help you ensure that your account settings are correct, retry the verification process, and reach out to customer support if necessary. Begin by checking your account and contact information on eBay. Log into your account and navigate to the account settings section. Here, you will find options for your personal information. Verify that the email address and phone number listed are accurate, paying close attention to any potential typos or outdated details. It is essential that your phone can receive SMS or calls if you are opting for phone verification. Additionally, if you have any call or message blocking apps installed, temporarily disable them to ensure they are not interfering with the receipt of your verification code. Having accurate contact information is crucial for receiving verification codes without unnecessary delays. Once you have confirmed that your account details are correct, the next step is to retry the verification process, navigate back to the login screen, and select the option to resend the verification code. After you request a new code, wait a few minutes for the message or email to arrive. If you are using email, be sure to check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes important messages can end up there. If you are using SMS, confirm that your mobile carrier is not blocking the message. If the code does not arrive after a few minutes, consider retrying the process, as patience and having the correct settings can increase your chances of success. If the verification code still does not arrive after attempting the above steps, it may be necessary to contact eBay customer support for assistance. To do this, visit the eBay help page and look for the contact options available. Explain the problem you are experiencing in detail and request an alternative verification method if possible. It is advisable to have your account information ready, as this will help verify your identity and facilitate a quicker resolution. Following any instructions provided by support is essential to ensure you regain access to your account promptly. Keep in mind that resolving verification code issues may take some time depending on the response from eBay support. Be prepared for potential waiting periods while they assist you. Additionally, if you frequently encounter this issue, consider reviewing your account settings periodically to ensure they remain up to date. This proactive approach can help prevent similar problems in the future. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.